Okay guys, so this is a continuation of class today. We are working on the skills review for chapter 3 for Photoshop. We're on page 3-25, and we had just brought the we had used the elliptical marquee tool and used the select grow feature to bring the second cat or the first cat into this picture. Okay, so now we are on the section set that says select using color and modify a selection. So we're going to open up 3-10. Should have that downloaded into your graphic design folder. I'm going to pull my tab out a little. Okay. And I'm going to use the color range dialog box to select the kitten. Okay. So I'm going to do select color range. And we want to make sure image is selected and inverse is selected. And then we're going to take our little eyedropper and click on the white background and then click OK. And it should have selected the cat. Then we're going to click the move tool and move it into our picture. And we're going to put it right about there. And then what we want to do is we want to flip the cat into the horizontal position. So we're going to go to Edit. And then we're going to go to Transform. And we're going to choose Flip Horizontal. Okay. We're going to move it over a little bit. And then we're going to defringe it. So we're going to go to Layer, Matting, Defringe. And we want that to defringe 2 pixels. And we're going to click OK. And we're going to save. And then we can close 3-10. Okay, and then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add a vignette effect to the selection. All right, so you want to make sure you are on the backdrop layer. That's the first thing, okay? And we are going to choose elliptical marquee. And we want our feather to be 15. And we're going to create a circle just about like this. Something like that. Okay. And then we're going to go to Layer, Layer Mask, and then Reveal Selection. Then we're going to hide the ruler. So we're going to go to View and uncheck Rulers. We're going to make sure you're in the Essentials Workspace switcher, and we're going to save. Okay, and there you go. So that's all we need to finish today, and then tomorrow we will start with the reinforcement activities, okay? So make sure you save this. And then you're all set to go for tomorrow. Take care.